Okay, everybody, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Dole Whip. It's a really good snack at Disney World, and I just got back from Disney World. And I wanted to share that experience with you guys. So I figured, why don't I show you how to make Dole Whip in a video so you don't feel left out. So right now, I am going to show you how to make Dole Whip, so let's get started. So what you're gonna need to make your Dole Whip is sugar, lemon juice, salt for some reason. You're also gonna need pineapple chunks, frozen pineapple chunks, and milk. So first you're gonna start off with 2 cups of pineapple. Next what you're gonna need is a half of a cup of milk. So just pour that in there as you do. So the ingredients say you need 1/4 cup of milk, but I made this before and it kind of didn't work out whenever I used the 1/4. I think it needed more milk. So I'm gonna see if this works after I do my taste test at the end. Alright, so next you're gonna need salt, but why do you need salt in a very sweet drink? So I'm gonna attempt, we don't have 1/16 is 1/16 teaspoon, I think it is. It's what you're gonna need, and we don't have that, so I'm just gonna add a little dash of salt. There we go. And next, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of sugar. And pour that in, and here's the second one. Alright, the next thing you're gonna need is, the ingredients say 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, but it kind of left an horrible aftertaste whenever I made it last time. So I'm gonna use about half of a tablespoon. So let's just pour that in. Alright, so I'm about to blend up the ingredients to make the Dole Whip, but you might notice I have the milk on the side. That's just in case the pineapples get all stuck in the blender, so I can add more milk to maybe make it go easier. Let's start. Alright, so whenever you're finished, the Dole Whip should look something like that. And I'm going to pour it into my Mickey Mouse glass. So let's pour that. Alright, so now I'm going to taste test it and see if it tastes good. It's really pineapple-y. I think if you're going to do this, I think you need to add a little more milk. So you might want to add 3/4 of milk. But other than that, if you like pineapple, it's really good. So make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and I'll see you guys. Wait, and also tell me in the comments what you thought of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.